first. Hello? So, I told her it's not that you are going to leave out university straight. But because you don't want to come to Nigeria, you want to do 1 year university. Your money is home. You're not going to leave that money to go like that. So after you have finished your degree, your master's degree, basically, you are going to come back and continue with us. Because you have money with them. You cannot just leave that $4,000 like that. She said, but you didn't explain like that. I said, even though she did not explain. So you think she will just dash you at $4,000 like that? So the goal of contention is that she doesn't want to delay the I-20. She now told me that it's very hard to do it. I should advise you to come to Nigeria. She will now generate another I-20 for me. You are not going to get another visa. You will just fly. I said, okay, it's a good thing. I like you like that. But it's not just going to be easy to just get money for ticket and come to Nigeria. Are you getting it? So we want you to come to Nigeria. So I am thinking because the visa is still. Are you hearing me? Now I asked her, what I want to know is that what is the installment plan for Hult University?
Thank you, God bless you.
So that you can take only 1 or 2 courses.
God bless the best and get money. You know how everything went. Thank you, Chimak. Chimak is a blessing to humanity. Chimak is a real blessing to humanity. Thank you, Chimak. God bless you. God bless you, Chimak. Thank you very much for stepping in. We saw someone who needed help. A human that needed help. A human that needed support, love, and everything she needed. This is why we stepped in. We don't know her from anywhere, and I'm happy that the last time of our day on earth, we were with her 247. We were with her. We never left her. The husband, Kingsley, Chimak, Precious, Cynthia, Penwon, Oji, Mwabweze, hospital, Zenith Hospital. They tried their best in the country. They tried so much to make sure she survived. Nobody slept all through the night yesterday to this morning. We didn't sleep. No sleep in our eyes all through yesterday to this morning. We didn't sleep. Cynthia was in the hospital from yesterday to this morning, 6 a.m. this morning. She left the hospital. So nobody closed our eyes to make sure that Ada survived this. Alright. So no matter what, no matter the flaws, everybody have a flaw, everybody have mistake, big mistake in the past. So our mistakes should not be used against us when we are in difficult situations too. Just like me too, I'm bound to make mistakes, and nobody should use my mistake to judge me, to condemn me, even when I'm alive. So please, I don't know how, it has happened. It has happened, alright. So I'm doing this video just to a fellow people are still calling me, even when I have posted that she's there, she's gone. You guys are still calling me to verify if it's true or not. It is true. She's gone. She's gone. There's nothing we can do right now. All we have to do right now is to try to reduce the judgment, being judgmental to people. Also to love people, even in a situation like this, too, in pain. We should learn to accept people's mistake. Even when she pleaded, she pleaded for forgiveness on social media. She made a video and pleaded. People were still judging her. People were still condemning her. All right. When you condemn people in such situation, they don't live. They end up in pain. You understand? So when we stepped in was when we saw her in somewhere in church where she was lying down and she was being cursed. She was being cursed by someone that she would die in that situation, with her swollen legs and swollen hands, swollen face, and her weak body. We decided to see how do we help her, and that was the reason why we stepped in. So we didn't step in for any other thing, but to just shame the devil, and that's the reason why Chimak had to make a comment on my page on the 14th on the 13th of April, and we took her. We went on a chat from New Hope Hospital. We moved her to Abuja, and it's been a success story all the way. From the one we've been posting her as a success story, not because of we want to trend or whatever, no, but because we hoped that we even give her more reason to live through, because at that point what she needed was support. She needed us to be by her side. She needed us to comfort her the more. And people still need to also pray for her too, because before we took her to the hospital, she was being judged on social media. She was being judged everywhere. But we tried to build another name for her. We tried to, to rebuild her life entirely. We try to make sure her past is wiped away. That's what we try to do all this period we were in the hospital. So thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for your prayer. It's a difficult situation right now, but I strongly believe that that she's resting wherever she is right now. She's resting. In fact, she died with love. She died with the way she saw people around her. She saw love. She witnessed love. Love that she couldn't get in the church. She got it from strangers, people that she barely knew. I don't know her from anywhere. Chima don't know her from anywhere, but Cynthia, Precious, all of them, nobody knows her from anywhere. But we stood our ground and made sure that Ada will be okay and I will be happy. And she did our best too. Alright. So our churches too, we should try to emulate the life that Christ lived on earth. Alright. Christ didn't come for the righteous people, he came for sinners. And even though she has said anything in the past that based on defamation of character or whatever they call it, there are legal grounds that someone can take. But taking someone to Sharia to serve for somebody, I see it as barbaric. And I just stand and I just keep saying that this girl did not die through spiritual means. She died through medical failure and every other thing, but nothing like spiritual happened to her. She has been sick for a very long time, and the doctors confirmed it that this girl, she has been sick, she has been down for a very long time. We cannot publish a medical report, but the truth is she has been down for a very long time. And at this point, please, reduce the way you judge people, and let's try to live in love. And we've tried our best. Thank you for your prayers. The stream of joy every morning, 7 a.m. I'm online on social media. I'm listening to, watching the video, watching the prayer line. I'm always on prayer, dropping prayer for her every time. Yes, thank you very much. Stream of joy. Thank you very much, and God bless you. We really tried our best. God bless you. I appreciate you.